Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies in an air fryer without brown sugar. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on white sugar as the sweetener. Next, prepare your cookie dough, ensuring it's well mixed and chilled. Then, we'll discuss the optimal air fryer settings for baking. Finally, I'll share some tips for achieving the best texture and flavor. This method is quick and easy, perfect for a sweet treat. To start, you'll need half a cup of softened, unsalted butter and 3/4 of a cup of granulated white sugar. Cream these together until light and fluffy. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet, mixing until just combined. Finally, fold in your favorite chocolate chips. Once your dough is ready, preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Line your air fryer basket with parchment paper, then scoop out dough balls, placing them about 2 inches apart. Do not overcrowd the basket. Air fry for 6 to 8 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden and the centers are still slightly soft. Let them cool in the basket for a few minutes before transferring. For the best results, chilling your cookie dough for at least 30 minutes helps prevent them from spreading too much. You can also experiment with baking times, a minute less for a chewier cookie, or a minute more for a crispier edge. Remember, every air fryer is a little different, so adjust as needed. Also, if you're looking for a fresh scent for your ride, check out the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, brown sugar-free chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.